At a time when the entire country is celebrating our Olympians, is wanting to unite to cheer for them, we have this kind of politics that's playing out. A claim made by Bhagwant Mann where he says that, okay, I want to come, I want to cheer the team, but look, the centre is not allowing me to do so. And the centre goes on to say that this is very short notice. Bhagwant Mann is a Z plus security, has Z plus security, and at such short notice, we cannot provide this kind of high level security. The Congress too has reacted. Let's listen in. Shehzad Poonawalla of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us on the phone line. Mr. Poonawalla, you're seeing the kind of comments coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. Bhagwant Mann says that, and the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party says that there is a larger conspiracy by the centre, by the Bharatiya Janata Party to stop him and not allow him to go to Paris so that he can cheer the team. Why is the centre doing this? That's the question asked by the Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Poonawalla.
You know, Sagarika, I watch Times Now, and Times Now is perhaps the only channel which has shown the plight of the shooter from Punjab who finished 4th in the 10-meter rifles game in Olympics. His name is Arjun Baboota, and he has said that forget, cheering us on. The Punjab government has not kept its promise from 2022 and given me a job. They did not even come to the airport to welcome me. Bhagwant Mann has done this postscript when the entire Arjun Baboota issue came out. At that time, to now save his face, he has made up this issue that I wanted to go, but the centre is not allowing me. He is a Z plus category security person. He cannot say that I want to go tomorrow and the immediate arrangements can be made for security. But having said that, why hasn't he given job to Arjun from the last 2 years? Why have his letters gone ignored? And why didn't he go to the airport to receive Arjun?
Okay. So those are questions coming in from the BJP. Thank you, Mr. Poonawalla, for joining it. But here's the Congress party. The Congress party has come out in full support of its ally. Congress leader Udit Raj goes on to say that the BJP is indulging in dictatorship for stopping Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann from going to Paris and cheering our Olympic athletes. Let's listen in.
That's wrong, that the way that central government is acting and barring permission to go to Paris is undemocratic. And of course, all allies, India allies, are together. This is denial of freedom, denial of movement, and it's a dictatorship.